the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes. We're all in the same boat. We could all believe what we believe, peacefully agree to disagree. But you can't judge a man until you walk a country mile in his shoes. Do-do-do-do. We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes. And money too, trying to fix the same broke hearts, wishing on the same stars. We all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat. We all been kicked and knocked around, but you ain't gonna keep a good man down. You can run like hell from your mistakes, but you can't hide from your truth. Do-do-do-do. We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes. And money too, trying to fix the same broke hearts, wishing on the same stars. We all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat. If you're holding, take those shots and keep reloading. If you can't be nice, don't say nothing at all. So help somebody, mind been struggling, spread a little love. Gotta give back something if the ship keeps rocking. We'll all go overboard. We're all in the same boat, fishing in the same hole, wonder where the same time goes. Money too, trying to fix the same broke hearts, wishing on the same stars. We all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat. Yeah, we're all hoping hope floats. We're all in the same boat.
This dance is called Same Boat. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall, improve left arm dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Kick right, sliding across left, side step right. Kick left, sliding across right, side step left. Touch, side. Touch left, next to right, pep body right. Quarter left, foot left foot facing 9. Quarter right, side step left foot facing 6. Quarter left, sailor step facing 3. Section 2, step right forward to right diagonal, touch left. Step left side, sliding back. Behind side cross. Forward left to left diagonal, touch right. Step right, side, slide it back. Behind, quarter right, on right foot facing 6, step left forward. Section 3, walk forward, right, left. Right, forward mambo. Walk back, left, right. Left foot, coaster step. Here you have a full turn option. Instead of doing the forward mambo, step forward right, pivot half turn, and then step half turn, step back on left. So instead of the forward mambo, step right forward, pivot half turn left, way onto left foot, half turn left, back then wall 6. The tag is to sway right, left. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 6 starts facing the 3 o'clock wall. And wall 6, I'll be facing the 6 o'clock wall. Tag. 1, 2. Wall 8 is the last wall. You will dance up to count 10 of the dance. And then touch the left toe behind. Put your arms to the side to end the dance. I'm facing 12 now. Wall 8, start facing the 9 o'clock wall. Dance up to count 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.